is a Bahco BH8AC2-500. Now, these retail at about 450 to 500 quid, and this appeared for something like a third of that on Amazon. So last one in stock. I took a risk. I thought it was going to turn up as a 1/18 scale thing for a model car with the price, but it actually looks like the real deal from what I can tell. Box is a bit split, but you know, it weighs a lot. That looks actually fronts like it might be genuine, which I'm quite pleased about, I have to say. Decent instructions, look at that. Just got to find somewhere to put it now. Well, build coming soon.